All right, I'm gonna start installing my fuel line. So these are the brackets and clips you're gonna need for fuel line. So starting from in the engine, there's two, and then these two clips and this bracket here, back at the gas tank. And then there's two, I think three, maybe four clips that are already on the car that are riveted on. So we'll go through that. All right, for starters, we're going to do the bracket first. So we've got our bolt in the bracket, and so your way back here, gas tank. So here's your front right side of the tank, and then here's a hole in your frame. All right, here's your bracket. So it goes on like this. Okay. Through the tank, through the fuel line like that, and they bolt on like that. All right, we'll get that bolted on. All right, there we go. And it should just enough slack so that you can move it up and down, and then line it up with your hose between the tank and here. All right, and then next. I had a little hard time lining it up, so I'm going to bypass this clip and this clip here, and then install it in a fixed location where I know where it goes, which is the clip right there, and it holds this, so it pushes this forward a little bit so I can get those in. So okay, so for this location here, got a screw right there. So this is the bend, so it's on the inside of the frame, and then it comes in and then runs along rocker panel, and we've got a screw hole right there. All right, so it's this clip. All right, and you've got the smaller screw. And then also what I'm going to do is, when I took these off, there was a little bit of glue on here. I think maybe they did it for installation, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of just the string caulking under here, so it gives a little bit of a seal for that screw right there. So I'll show you what I'll do. All right, just like that. Just a little bit, and as you tighten it down, it'll spread out and smash down, and then you just take your fingernail and just wipe away the excess. Okay, there we go. So there you go. It's smashed out. You can really get in there if you want. You can get a little screwdriver and really pick it out if you want. But that's what I did to seal that between the body and the screw. All right, and then now I will finish pushing up these up in here, which seem to be a pain in the butt. All right, so got that done. Clip in there, and then this clip here, and then that one there. All right, and then we're going to move forward. All right, next one is this type of clip, put those screws on, and then again I'm going to put a little bit of the caulking on the back with the nut. Like that, and it also helps to hold the screw too as well. I think maybe that's what the glue was on there was for, was to help hold the screw on there as you put it together. All right, and so run it up, and then put this one in, and then about 1.5 feet or so, go one right here. So fuel line hugs rocker panel. So like that. Oh, so we'll get that on. All right, like so, and then again, just scrape away at the extra, and now it's sealed. All right, let's push this on. There you go. And as we move up the line, got a clip here, and then you got a clip here, Okay, and then up top we're going to go inside the engine bay. And the engine bay, that's where these go. All right, so the clips here, 2 nuts. Where's my clip? Here it is, right there. All right, so inside the engine bay on the subframe. So the first one coming from the rear is right here. All right, so it's right just above your ground point, and the next one is just below the control arm, which is right here. All right, so these suckers snap on, and then we'll get those on. All right, like that. So I'll get these tightened down. That. All right, there we go. And then make sure the fuel line is not hugging against your frame here. Don't forget, you still have to get your fuel tube on here. So I've just remembered, like a finger thick. Just know that you can get the clamp and your tubing on there, and then from there hook up to your fuel pump. That's it.